Ebatima GH. We did Edinana Ama Owisa. It's time for some entertainment gist. And to stay tuned. And some more ebe here pass you be brobo so. Now Nidiane say a year for some time now you say Shatawale any stone boy asundre about woman team until they say that ever since they call so our VGMA and 2019 version it to a be more say a year and 10 pin you say asundre aba after Kofi Aban Sikenina was settle issue no woman no customer they say bibia to so one say be on be bia to say won go share ho cry and to ko be no tension asrasre yankwa and won de ehyiamu na yetete what na sentem cry stone boy ebe release alonga junction ni way ni album a release for from they say obi a body so uniform ni fans for Beam Nation for obi a crown not say World Cup um dey see console advertise we dey abefe bia Shatawale ayenim say Shatawale die enka Shatawale die wonu nko die those say beef way ya set wonu die or a man of controversy wonu nkwasa say me fa bi fa na feature enu nti so ma set omu beef in quality na purchase or advertising ma Stone Boy because no competition but surprisingly Shatawale posted Stone Boy and Loga Junction picture on the Instagram page as actual as say brother from the same mother in Ghana for one kasa and the friends the fans for woman follow no making sure say won benya a year Stone Boy ni EP we release it now to me say na aye nika pa am Stone Boy ni Irekra Dr. Louisa onokra posti a year Shatawale ni post on Instagram no to posti on Instagram story say na nkofo be say say ade dey asunde dey nyesi pie Shatawale pa brase nenye CP create now so yeteto beto wo say interview me owo ye na o ka say wono say ayonkofa pa de ebi eni ono ene Shatawale entem na musically de wo mu do master to mu beef wo mu asundue wo mu tem obi eni obi ni beef de obi eni obi ani tokwa be but ayonkofa say madam funie me tese madam funi pompa o miniwa bisa mase wo Shatawale de be enya sa de no ene wo mu tem wo mu nye ayonkofo na Ghana for bisa say na nye wo mu ana week we mu for site esere gege na Shatawale dia fa ha no dia fa masria bom se utu nye nadafo o da bi ukasa wanya de na se da ukasa won shai Shatawale wo kwan bi so na usa for asem de se na wo mo twene se na abasa social media de se man fa be si mabobo no wa ha se ama ya mbobo mu a ebe ya asem kese pa wo Ghana nti jebre ibetwa mo aba ye ba ye be discuss asem we I say she be mu. I know be me.
Ola be me ma sha me she since.
Be a cool.
Be that bin come.
There are there I say. Yeah, Stone Boy. Beam Nation boss. Nen say me o de betuja wo Hit FM interview ko say on Shatawale enye friends. What do you think of it?
So on enye friend enye big deal here because Adam before so my phobia Adam for no decision. Nti bia meet me no why cool but then no nya madam. Nti no nya we bia ana friendships so take it time to build. Nti say omo you cool na say no nja say so omo ye na for. E bia omo ye cool, omo ye industry mates ni money am. Omo bit man vibe on that level but then your kind of be anim bia cool normal.
And as a Stone Boy a hypocrite. A hypocrite in the sense say week we am who nya say twem crampo too far fetched. Week we one woni Shatawale for sites bon new studio mu dey omo ko hosre ke ha enti ade aro elim manyum ni bi me no sre kwa no bia na
ora se me no tie enye na mfofo ma say you cool nti ya buy bi
ola bi o madam for me feel
nti me hypocrite
o me dey o madam for me feel
and dey bia wo na we me wonya madam
woni me sre kwa hu
enye se me no sre kwa how many times am I throw in a month kana in a year.
Maybe like a friendship. What is friendship?
Friendship, you'll be on in the chair. What doing like plans will be like more vibe on a regular. Like what gets me? Hey, like we are like what kind of be what gets me? How plans will be and now for and they will be on in new cool. Send young guys Saturday because I can with the Angasanka. We ask no be our damn for be a new cool also in Penny Wadam. Or be a new cool be an Wadam.
Oh, by a Shatawale. Just recently, along Junction, or really the they say. Will be a vibe to me tunes no. Shatawale as soon as o release and Loga Junction no. oposti ewo on Instagram page Emma say e brogana for adwene ne wo mtia say mo say go kra reposting the post now opposite even to the extent that Dr. Louisa Stonebwoy Yeren so every post here to show say they see Asafo is no longer the kind of person we knew him before. He has turned a new leaf.
I don't know new leaf as in there. I know the industry idea. O share episode money na some artists be post here. But not just some here now for me industry mates. And just to support the culture. I know be as person of Ghana again go with agenda. And say if so post here, not just say there was some here now for once and the post. Industry mates.
I understand you, but knowing Shatawale himself, Shatawale in controversies and say he wants to be the number one. He wants to be outstanding.
Sisi ano Amagana for who say was what said they will be cool. I don't know so with me people say aside I know now kind I will say who be. In the see another means and a medium or the chair said Anya they are cool. In the promoting it. In the anyway we are.
Only the interest Stone and at the same point says Stonebwoy is being hypocritical because a man like Shatawale, he is known by Ghanaians generally say he is controversial. Or obia to say or ye gidi or ye harsh and won't me find some phone in the future in Copa. Everything very active. Now for such a man like this, Son was so beef up high, almost beef on his Stonebwoy. Most of the time, or putting fire in the beef. Which means from his side, he was more angry at Stonebwoy. And he was feeding on Stonebwoy's career. And for someone like him, now after VGMA controversies next year for him to agree say fine, you settle beef and we can now move on as industry mates. Now he goes on to the extent of sharing your works on his own page. I'll commit me to that same moment to promote his works. And that's why video on another artist, now he took time to repost your Wangasa EP. Where we release it out say or not to a fan base that we are in the same field. Who says Shatawale has taken a bolder step and I say a bigger step to show say he's cooler with Stonebwoy and a Stonebwoy no air falling aback with his statement way.
So Stonebwoy has some more issue.
Some more issue, but he's falling aback.
No, I'm falling aback. How can I do?
We are cool. We are friends.
Friends now you mistake.
Who can say friendships will be your friend that he cares about you like.
And friendship is a decision. Until we decide this, I'm my friend, I'm my friend. Until I don't know, and I him posting because I know the same person I know starts so preachy about togetherness and yen. Until say if so, yes, I also won't say they are all preaching and also practice it. Until say if so, no problem, crown us or philosophy post here. I don't know any big deal because I don't know Nagaza start shut and Nagaza or start this agenda and say you support him. Until I know a platform on also the supporting industry. Because I know Nagaza say industry grow until also so share Stonebwoy we are. And yes, also in a down fast. I know what Ghana music industry.
And you say shut they on fast Stonebwoy as a friend.
I don't know. Oh, Saga, I don't be predicting because I know it's me or some way. You understand? And if the Stonebwoy is saying down for, and I win your first time or more squash on beef. We shared 2 years ago. Shatawale performed was Stonebwoy assignment to the world concert. I said, but then I be very cool. But then I check around and we say if there's a person of a fallen victim for Sahara, then I push some parts to have foresight Stonebwoy G. I want to introduce Shatawale money backstage to Krampoma. Omoye celebration. Into any once and yet twice. Into one person of a call in say they are or call out say we are madam for now I disappointed you. Into say this idea we should stay cool. Just you better vibe on the normal. Me family rent show.
I understand your point, but you share one fan base, Beam Nation for any SM fans. We know that SM fans are passionate about their celebrity. And Beam Nation for so there, won't give it up on Stonebwoy. Everybody has passion for the celebrity. Now some time ago, you posted guy be on Mungwa say guy not say wako we are the and a punishment about the action and a punishment to say yawa apa or now guy look at the yakra say what's SM tattoo on home. And a Stonebwoy comment on say can you see an SM fan there? And I said, Bisa.
I said, can you see the SM tattoo?
That's very good. Okakas SM, did you see the reaction of SM fans? Those say their beef is settled. Almost said the beef is settled. Now there are no more rivals. But who reaction on social media, especially Twitter by about that issue no. Once na omo backlash no at say kaki to be kran pata kran mawa. And just SM boss amekasa wo kran kan ya. E get any different story. And nunti to know the fan base say now study as some better to jano and maybe fufu kran na okenya mu.
Oh no, so I know so say like no show the humor side of Ono Stonebwoy.
Humor
or passes some like funny comments. Say I baby.
No, how na no yes person Shatawale.
No, inti we be keke just as resemble but then as a fans in a fan on a different level. I get it. And if so you're fan, two fan base na mo kona say who say mo artist na mo yoku then fan base I don't know what's wrong with you. Because more artists na mo follow them, more support them. They are very cool behind the scenes. And I say behind the scenes on camera and be no show so me very cool. Inti if some mujina social media and I say one on one na mo yes more drag more then more fan base and guys I mean who be am loyalty in that. As a more have.
Okay, fine. And does it mean necessarily say we are industry players, so we are artists. What about industry? You have to make friends in the industry.
No. Friendship. You're building relationship. They're all friendship. I get me. So bet me you be a building relationship. So maybe a mobile age man, mobile working hand in hand, and I don't know what. And they all friendship. And no need and down for some. We'll go out in the sword. So they be like, oh, and if you honest will feel. Hey, I know they are now for some. And they are card down for you down for. But then all said they are far from Sawi. Nti ono ana jata wale na guy no kra o untimi prediction nti me ya Stonebwoy kan kan no me so me side no cause jata wale o hwe ne record wona for sem one na for achi palago dipoti blade ono ani manager mu na pop skinny o mu na on se no mo ye close tight bulldog na oni nya se no man de bulldog asaba ba nti o hwe ono kan is no good nti Stonebwoy no so realize say Sawi the best on call all out for Sawi.
Okay, before 2019 VGMA na all the time you know na Shatawale was in the black books of Ghanaian, say, or a black sheep on the account in Sembonia, or no, and a swan. Now, so from the time almost 30 VGMA, I'm announcing 2019 dynamic, I'm announcing award, I call boss, Stonebwoy, Dean said, what the award, our kind stage, on any fancy form, Koje, Ewinijemu. Now, Shatawale, so, sorry, said, Woba. Now, all of a sudden, the gentle one, the calm one, the white sheep, I knew, says, Stonebwoy, a cool. Or you're reserved on pen wasem for him to pull a gun there. Don't you think say Stonebwoy honum na no sister and a character or Ghana for a character in nim no say we cool and come say had them boss me and a whole necessary you need to because for him to be the one to pull out the gun no it was strange.
As a sound no one is.
Oh, sure. You say Shatawale na ono or ye bad. You can't blacklist that only didn't have to blacklist on the black sheep and cast be piano. Onu do betimi aye now onu eba wan show you sign of knife say o cross o crowd betimi there one again
na bibi she no we dey
no say in fact
obi abo black suit we na bibi she ma we dey
good very good bibi she ma e be dey hu but why show it
no honestly in the form of protection because o share the way aggressive I can say the aggression na shattering ne entourage na mo dey backstage no so na and aside and no campo no you try say you stop your move no and mo back more aggressive, almost start some 2 punches. It was one say, and on stage, and there were very few being natives on the stage. Only about 3 or 4 pe. And I start shatter interaction on the band. Only almost 15 or 17. Into as I win, said there's no way between my face for face.
On such a big
stage like me pull out the Ghana. Anya Crampono aggression on the band. Everyone more average rock because they know say.
What about the people seated in the crowd?
Someone cast what they call you. And I told so here and no.
There was a power. Okay, go.
And I told no here no ball straight there. Could be able to make us say, but then we just for the people to know say, baby were haunted. Tension na more the band, mounted tension is not be any and COVID. International just for people to know say, I don't know how until moment we need now. Hand your pump for class. I brand you that sorry, we need now.
Okay, fine. Metewase wo baby a wa begina no nanso ye hwe broni self defense no ade obi be attack wa de obeye in reaction to attack no and na self defense no na onwako yi be won mewe ondu baby a
hey when was some attack the manager
wait edu ho yeti ase sa onwako no se o attack the manager no ondu onu Stonebwoy so ye onu the manager no the pulling gun e wo baby a ya attack na nke different issue ondu Stonebwoy where oba na attack ma wo so ye na wonim say no wait I want to land let me land
onipa amene na mo di kan attack no me ntwe man wa attack me asa
why attack no fine good why attack no so defend no so when engineer hopa no defend no
if say mo nipa ba ko kra mo ti me twa fa no so ya na sa
you think so on such a huge stage so you think honum no ko betime kunu on a huge stage like that there's nowhere to run to say
send you can video evidence be a watch say na for self defense cause I no attack me na me boy And you say, "Bia, shut up, start some banana boy." But then,
don't you think that all of them now or changing it like Ghana for your view of him because
Ghana for we individual branded as Ghana.
I understand.
Maybe I want to address
me kasama Ghana for removing the gun. No, it has so many meanings. Taking out a gun, no, you have secured yourself. First meaning, no. Second, you know, you are ready to do anything.
Yeah.
Second, you are ready to do anything. And to know, say, even any Ghana from all over the world, the sight of gun, no matter what it is, say a rubber gun, it is a toy gun. Now it looks so similar to real gun. Now you two be as well. It causes an amount of fear when some people are even crippled by the sight of gun. Now you know, say a domestia, somebody is coming to you. Why didn't he think of the fact, say, even though he's coming to me, he might be coming to attack me, but there are people there that because of those people, no, he cannot do that thing to me. So showing up the gun, you are putting those people at risk because who knows there might have been so many guns, and so showing the gun, no, and Obi has to remove the gun. And what do you think would have happened there?
No,
you see cases of stampedes. Now he go for domestic now show you gun. Don't you think say no, we are changing your perspective about him, say he's not as we thought he was.
And on changing perspective, yeah, I didn't understand. Self-defense. And it will know, didn't you got an air for self-defense? And a licensed gun. And Osha violence, a man, so I won't to me, because
violence, Ben.
Yeah, put the manager on, was there any violence?
Was the manager standing on his own, standing there like that?
It's a cable, no, yashi.
That's all also defending. So,
Obian said, dream chair on China, 15 in Begunus once a while day. I'm one chairman and bonus and accident. Into your tweet will now be no, be one main cop.
Really?
If some year 4 penny hostage, then if I bear 16,
nation.
You mean be native, maybe for the culture.
Hey, for which culture?
No, they are Shatal is also your coin.
It could have been so many things.
So
on a huge stage,
no. Relax. So many things. And a manager, who is there? That tension, that was not tension between Bimini and SM. Very
high.
He said, oh, sorry, on that occasion, Crampono for and I was there not on beef because of the dance on. And as I dance on when it's not Stoneboy winning award, it's not sorry. It's even if it's said to congratulate him, Crampona. That time they the right time. I get it. And I will ban Crampono. Manager and try say or stop him before I'm first stage. And I'm attacking manager. And look at show enough we can say I've been born a mother. Sanka manager and a channel. Come back and so you know they can't do anything. It be congratulations if they can't give the boy. And could be able to say no. But then to attack the manager first, I manager now attack him on. And look at show more intention and whatever. And I saw a stage near bro, you're 5 years, 4 said the baby. Momo, you're 16 and over. Young chairman, baby, answer. Abra gangsters or Bibishan one obey them.
No problem. What the AV in tune chain? Not a CRD, I bet to just say on any friend. The name say it's on record say Shatabali Mamia can say they are cousins.
And also say
they are cousins.
You bet him. Send them, I can be able to see a show business.
And it's a bit my show business.
Oh, a bit
now I'm not on your play.
My son also bought my the band business across you. Because the band here also support here for the culture and the other know. Because on the moon show any evidence.
And they were defense.
No. I mean, this we defense when the woman. My man watch it, we just say we are from we. I don't know I can't by the night I dream. But then there's no evidence back in it say we. It is on a show business.
Don't you think that the right person who should have said the Stoneboy I can't say only Shatwale near friends Shatwale moon because I don't know.
Means you say no. Oh, mistake I am when I say who person will be fakey. Now mo feel okay. It say if say me fake now feel okay, na me feel okay. Me have me one young cause of young coach on. I said do young coach sell. It me fake my own feel okay. O get me. Abraham me feel right just for the cameras. And what say yes sir. Shatwale nyana down for. As simple as that.
For and it does say although who anything wrong with what Stoneboy said, say on yet Shatwale are down for. Now so also views, who opinions about this issue. But to me, Tuma GH your comment section. The man Riffy say Tuma GH is there on Instagram with me affiliate also at Tuma GH _ me didn't add an ama owusua na aha energy jumejenu ABC. Mini and the Dusty. Real Teflon Don and the any and come on saying and no to follow on also our Instagram. Macram.